using these mullet for bait. Just hooking them right here in the lip. So beautiful out here. Look at that sunset though. This is beautiful. Ooh, did y'all see that? Right there, right here in front of me. Something just popped my fish, and there it is. Oh, it's another Cuda. It's another Cuda. I got him right here. Oh, I got a Cuda on, y'all. Yes, he didn't get off this time so far. Let me turn this down. Got the Cuda. Look at that Barracuda right there. Come on up. Where's my fish getters, man? I don't have my net. I'll just go ahead and lift him up. I hooked him good this time, y'all. Bam! Boom! Oh, he just broke off. He broke the line right here on my foot. Don't you bite my foot, bro. Y'all talking about some teeth? Damn. I believe I'm gonna keep this bad boy. I'm gonna keep him. I haven't had Barracuda in a while. It's a perfect eating size Barracuda, y'all. Huh? That's live on cam. Look at those teeth. Yes, sir. That right there, ladies and gentlemen, is dinner. Look at the teeth on these guys. No joke. You don't want to play with these. Isn't that gorgeous? Some seasoned salt. Rosemary. Some thyme. And some garlic powder. Black pepper. Take Cuda fillets, dry them off. Paprika. Sea salt. Black pepper. Some onion powder. garlic powder. Thyme. Avocado oil. Drizzle it on there. Bread. Oops. Look how flaky this is. It just flakes right off. Barracuda. About to do this. Oh, that's good. Look out. It's hard to believe that's Barracuda. I'll take it with ketchup. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you can do some Barracuda or any other kind of fish. I'm gonna go. It was great. It was fun catching that fish. And I'm glad it was able to nourish my body. Y'all have a blessed one out there. And until next time, we'll catch you on the next one, y'all.